Okay, students, good morning to everyone. So today we discuss some problems in circles. Consider a family of circles which passes to the point minus 1 comma 1 and are the tangent to x-axis. If h comma k is the center of the circle, then options k greater than or equal 1 by 2, k less than or equal 1 by 2, 1 less than or equal to k. Fourth option, none of these. Students, consider a family of circles which passes through the point minus 1 comma 1 and are tangent to x-axis tangent to x-axis. So circle passing through the point minus 1 comma 1. Student, if h comma k is center of the circle, see h comma k. Students, center h comma k tangent to x-axis. What is the radius, students? Radius is equal to center of touches x-axis. Radius is equal to center of y coordinate. So radius is equal to k. Circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here r square is equal to r is equal to k square. For circle passing through minus 1 comma 1. In place of x minus 1 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square is equal to k square. Students, minus 1 minus h whole square means that is equal to 1 plus h whole square. Taking minus 1 common, minus 1 whole square plus 1. This is 1 plus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square is equal to k square. 1 plus h whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 1 minus k whole square, 1 plus k square minus 2k is equal to k square. K square get cancelled. Students, 1 plus h square plus 2h is equal to 1 plus h whole square plus 1 is equal to 2k. Students, k is equal to 1 plus h whole square plus 1 by 2. Students, suppose this value is 0, k is equal to 1 by 2. So, student, this value is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Least value is 1 by 2. Suppose substitute h is equal to another values. This value is greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Suppose this value is 0, least value is 1 by 2. So, remaining, suppose substitute h is equal to some values, remaining greater than 1 by 2. Therefore, k greater than or equal to 1 by 2. K greater than or equal to 1 by 2. Friends, next problem, find the locus of center of the circle. Touches externally the circle and also y-axis. So touches y-axis and also this circle externally. So this is the required circle. This touches y-axis. This and touches this this circle externally. So this is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y plus 14 is equal to 0. Plus 14 is equal to 0. Find the locus of center of the circle. Touches externally the circle and also touches y-axis. Students, suppose center of this circle is h comma k. Center of this circle is h comma k. Students, touches y-axis, radius is equal to center of x coordinate. Therefore, here C1 h comma k. Students, R1 is equal to radius of this circle is h. Next, students, radius of given center and radius of given circle 2g is equal to minus 6, 2f is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 14, g is equal to minus 3, f is equal to minus 3, c value 14, c2 is equal, center is equal minus g comma minus f, 3 comma 3. Next, radius is equal to g square plus f square minus c minus 14. So 9 plus 9, 18, 18 minus 14, root 4. Root 4 is equal to 2. So R2 is equal to two circles. Students, two circles touch each other externally. C1, C2 is equal to condition, students. Two circles touch each other externally. Then C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Two circles touch each other externally. Students, here circle touches y-axis. Touches y-axis, radius is equal to center of x coordinate. R1 is equal to h. C1 is equal to h comma k. C2 3 comma 3. R2 2. Circles touch each other externally. Formula C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. Students, C1 C2 is equal to C1 C distance with 2 points, root of h minus 3 whole square plus k minus distance between 2 points formula k minus 3 whole square is equal R1 h R2 2. Students, squaring on both sides, h minus 3 whole square plus k minus 3 whole square is equal to h plus 2 whole square. Students, h minus 3 whole square, h square plus 9 minus 6h, k minus 3 whole square, k square plus 9 minus 6k is equal to h square plus 4 plus 4h. So h square get cancelled, students. Here k square minus 4h minus 6k, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 minus 4, 18 minus 4, 14. Students, here h comma k center, locus of h comma k. Students, locus of h comma k, replace h by x, k by y. Y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 14 is equal to 0. Students, here minus 6h, minus 10h. Students, k square minus 10h minus 6k. Students, minus 6h minus 4h. Students, minus 10h. K square minus 10h minus 6k. 18 minus 4, 14. Locus of h comma k. Y square. Students, minus 10x minus 6y plus 14 is equal to 0. Next problem, find the coordinates of centers of the circle passing through 0, 0, 1, 0 and touches the circle. Students, here touches the circle means touches externally or internally. Touches externally, C1, C2 is equal R1 plus R2. Internally, C1, C2 is equal R1 minus R2. Circle touches means either externally or internally. C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus or minus R2. Touches means either external or internal. C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus or minus R2. First, students, find the coordinates of centers of the circle. But circle passing through 0, 0, 1, 0. Students, here first to calculate a circle. Students, let the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Students, first circle passing through 0, 0. Substitute 0, 0. 0 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c is equal to 0. Students, c value is equal to 0. Therefore, circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. Students, again passing through 1, 0. Substitute 1, 0. 1 square plus 0 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 0 is equal. So 2g is equal minus 1. G is equal to minus 1 by 2. Students, this is the required circle. This is the circle. C is equal 0. Next, students, G value minus 1 by 2. Next, calculate F. Students, find the coordinates of the centers of the circle passing through 0, 0. Students, and touches the circle. So this circle touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9, either internally or externally. Students, this circle touches this circle Internally or externally? Internally or externally, students? Students, here touches internal externally. C1, C2 is equal, students, R1 plus or minus R2. Students, x square plus y square is equal to 9. This is the touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9. C2 touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9. C2 0 comma 0, radius is equal to 3. C1 0 comma 0, R1 is equal to 3. Next, students, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy, c is equal to 0. Here c is equal to 0. Students, c1 minus g comma minus f, c2 0 comma 0. Students, c1 0 comma 0, r1 is equal to 3. Next, c2 minus g comma minus f, r2 is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c0, g square plus f square. Students, c1 c2 is already 1 plus 2g is equal to 0. Students, g is equal minus 1 by 2. Students, g value minus 1 by 2. So c1 c2 is equal to root of 0 minus g whole square, distance between 2 points formula, y1 minus y2 whole square, 0 plus f whole square, f square is equal r1 3 plus or minus r2 is equal root of g square plus f square. Root of g square, g is equal minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4 plus f square is equal 3 plus or minus root of g square, 1 by 4 plus f square. Students, root of 1 by 4 plus f square is equal 3 plus root of 1 by 4 plus f square. Students, 1 by 4 plus f square get cancelled. So 3 is equal to, this is not satisfied, students. Next, root of 1 by 4 plus f square is equal to 3 minus root of 1 by 4 plus f square. Question, take this on left hand side. Root 1 by 4 f square plus root 1 by 4 1 by 4 plus f square, 2 root 1 by 4 plus f square is equal to 3. Students, 1 by 4 plus f square, root 1 by 4 plus f square is equal to 3 by 2. Students, squaring on both sides, 1 by 4 plus f square is equal to 9 by 4. Implies f square is equal to 9 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 4. Students, LCM is 4, 9 minus 1, 8. So 8 by 4 is equal to 2. 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So f square is equal to 2. F is equal to plus or minus root 2. C, center, calculate center minus g comma minus f. Students, g is equal to minus 1 by 2. Already calculate g, minus 1 by 2. F is equal plus or minus root 2. Minus g comma minus f, 1 by 2 comma plus or minus root 2, students. Students, here apply the formula C1, C2 is equal, touches means either internally or externally. So internally C1, C2 is equal R1 minus R2. Externally C1, C2 is equal R1 plus R2. Next one, show that the locus of midpoints of the chords of the circle. Show that the locus of midpoints of the chords of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 2, which makes an angle of 120 degrees at the center. So locus of midpoints of the chords of the circle. So this is the given circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal 0. Students, first calculate center and radius. 2j is equal minus 2, 2f minus 2, c value minus 2, g value minus 1, f value minus 1, C value minus 2. Center minus G comma minus F, that is equal 1 comma 1. Radius is equal root of G square plus F square minus C, that is equal root of G square 1 plus F square 1 minus C plus 2, that is equal to radius 2. Students, here locus of midpoints of the chords of the circle. Locus of midpoints of the chords of the circle makes an angle 120 degrees at the center. Makes an angle 120 degrees at the center. Student, this is 120 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is the midpoint of the chord. Suppose locus of midpoint of the chord. This point is xy. Pxy is the midpoint of the chord. This is the center of the circle. Center of the circle is equal 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. This is radius. Radius is equal, students, 2. Radius is equal to, here angle is 90 degrees. Here angle is 90 degrees. Students, I'm taking cos 60 degrees. Cos is equal adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is adjacent side. Students, E triangle CPQ, in triangle CPQ, cos 60 degrees. Adjacent side is CP. So root of CP is equal, distributing 2 points formula, root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Adjacent side by hypotenuse is equal to, hypotenuse is 2. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2 is equal to root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square by 2. So 2 to get cancelled. Squaring on both sides, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal 1 square 1. X minus 1 whole square, x square plus 1 minus 2x. Y minus 1 whole square, y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal 1. So 1 get cancelled. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Find the locus of middle points of the chords of the circle. Find the locus of middle points of the chords of the circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square, which subtend a right angle at the center. Which subtend a right angle at the center. Find the locus of, friends, find the locus of middle points of the chords of the circle. This is the chord. This is midpoint of the chord. Subtends a right angle at the center. Subtend a right angle at the center. Students, center of the given circle 0, 0. Radius is A. Students, this is radius. This is Q. This is P. Suppose P, XY is the midpoint of the chord. Here, subtend a right angle at the center. Here angle is 90. This is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. This angle is 45 degrees. Student, I'm taking cos 45. Cos is equal adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent is equal CP. So CP by R. R is equal A. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. CP is equal, distributed 2 points formula, root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal by A. Students, cross multiply and squaring on both sides. Students, cross multiply A is equal, students, our A by root 2 is equal to, students, x minus 0 whole square, x square root of x square plus y square. Students, squaring on both sides, A by 2 is equal to x square plus y square. Squaring on both sides, A square by 2 is equal to x square plus y square. Let 2x square plus y square minus 3xy is equal to be the equation of pair of tangents drawn from the origin. Drawn from the origin. So origin is external points, pair of tangents drawn from the origin. Drawn from the origin through a circle of radius 3, of radius 3, of radius 3. The center of radius is 3. This is 3. This is also 3, students. Students, next, if A is one of the point of contact, suppose this is A is one of the point of contact, find length OA. Students, here, pair of tangents equation, these equations are given 2x square minus 3xy plus y square is equal to 0. Students, this is alpha, this is alpha. So angle between the pair of tangents is 2 alpha. Students, in first year pair of straight lines, tan alpha is equal formula 2 root h square minus ab by, student, this is alpha. So student, this is also alpha. Students, in first total angle between the tangents is tan 2 alpha. Tan 2 alpha is equal in first year pair of straight lines. Angle between the pair of lines 2 root h square minus ab by mod a plus b. Ax square, a is equal to 2hxy, 2h is equal minus 3, b is equal 1. So tan 2 alpha is equal. Since tan 2 alpha is equal formula 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha is equal to 2 root h square. 2h is equal minus 3, h is equal to minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4, minus AB, 2 into 1 by mod A plus B, A is equal to, B is equal 1, 2 plus 1. So tan 2 alpha is equal 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha is equal 2 root h square. 2h is equal minus 3, h is equal minus 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4 minus AB 2 by mod A plus B. A is equal to, B is equal to 1. So 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha is equal to root, students, here LCM is 4, 9 minus 8 by root 4, students, root 4 is equal to, this is 3. So 2 to get cancelled. Root of 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8 is equal to root 1, 1 by 3. Students, cross multiply 6 tan alpha is equal to 1 minus tan square alpha. Tan square alpha plus 6 tan alpha minus 1 is equal to, this is a quadratic equation tan alpha. Students, tan alpha is equal to formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b minus 6, a value 1, b value 6, c value minus 1, minus b plus or minus root of b square 6 square 36 minus 4ac, a value 1, b value 6, c value minus 1, b square minus 4ac minus 4, a is equal 1, c is equal minus 1 by 2a. So 2 into a is equal 1. Then alpha is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 36 plus 4. So it's 36 plus 4, 40. 10 into 4, 2 root 10 by 2. Students, taking 2 common, minus 3 plus or minus root 10 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Students, here, send this first quadrant positive, that is equal minus 3 plus root 10. So tan alpha is equal minus 3 plus root 10. Minus 3 plus root 10. Students, tan alpha is equal minus 3 plus root 10. Students, here calculate OA. Here calculate OA. Students, I'm taking triangle OAC. Triangle OAC. Tan alpha is equal to opposite side 3. Students, adjacent side OA. Students, OA is equal to 3 by tan alpha. 3 by tan alpha. 3 by tan alpha is equal to root 10 minus 3. So OA is equal to 3 by root 10 minus 3. So rationalizing the denominator, rationalizing root 10 plus 3 by root 10 plus 3. That is equal to 3 into root 10 plus 3 by, friends, in denominator, a plus b into a minus b, a square, root 10 whole square, 10 minus b square, minus 3 square, 9. So 10 minus 9, 1. That is equal to final answer 3 into root 10 plus 3. 3 into root 10 plus 3. Two vertices of a triangle are minus 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 0, and the third vertex lies above x-axis. Two vertices of an, friends, two vertices of an equilateral triangle, students, two vertices of an equilateral triangle. Two vertices of an equilateral triangle of an equilateral triangle. Two vertices of an equilateral triangle minus 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 0, and the third vertex lies above x-axis. Then equation of circumcircle is, students, minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1 comma 0 lies on x-axis. Lies on x-axis. Student, this is 1.1 comma 0. This is minus 1 comma 0, point B. So third vertex lies above x-axis. Lies above x-axis. A, B, this is C. Above x-axis. Students, above x-axis. Students, in equilateral triangle, x1, y1, x2, y2 are the two vertices of an equilateral triangle. Third vertex is equal to formula x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 minus plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. Students, in equilateral triangle, two vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2. Third vertex formula x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 minus plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2. Here calculate circumcircle. First calculate center, students. First third vertex. Students, this is x1, y1. x1 minus 1, x2 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus or minus root 3 into y1 0, 0 minus 0 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 0 plus 0 minus plus root 3 into x1 minus x2. Students, minus 1 minus 1. Students, minus 1 minus 1. Students, minus 1 minus 1 by 2. x1 plus x2 minus 1 plus 1 plus root 3 into y1 minus y2 0 minus 0 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 0 plus 0 minus plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 minus 1 by 2. Students, minus 1 plus 1. So this is also 0, students. 0 minus into minus plus or minus, students, plus or minus root 3. This is 2, students. 2 by 2, 2. So 0 plus or minus root 3. So above x-axis, So y coordinates positive 0 comma root 3. So third vertex is 0 comma root 3. C lies above x-axis. Above x-axis y coordinate positive. Students, here this is minus 2. Minus into minus plus, plus or minus. Here 2 get cancelled, root 3. Above x-axis y coordinate positive 0 comma root 3. Friend, this is equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, circumcenter, incenter, ortho center coincide with the centroid. So circumcenter is equal centroid. Circumcenter is equal to centroid. Students, in equilateral triangle, circumcenter, orthocenter, incenter coincide with the centroid. Centroid is equal formula x1 plus x2 minus 1, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma, y1 0 plus y2 0 plus root 3 by 3. So minus 1 plus 1, 0 comma, root 3 by 3, students, root 3 by 3. So 3 is root 3 into root 3. Root 3 get cancelled, 1 by root 3. Students, circumcenter, center is 0 comma 1 by root 3. Center is 0 comma 1 by root 3. Students, next calculate radius. So distance between circumcenter and any point on the circle is radius. SCA is equal radius. SCA is equal, that is equal root of, students, this is 0. 0 minus 1 whole square plus 1 by root 3 minus 0 whole square. That is equal 0 minus 1 whole square 1. 1 by root 3 whole square 1 by 3. So that is equal, here LCM is 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 3. Root 4 by 3. 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 is the radius. Center 0 comma 1 by root 3. Center 0 comma 1 by root 3. Radius 2 by root 3. Circle equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square 2 by root 3 whole square. X minus 0 whole square x square, y square 1 by root 3 whole square 1 by 3, 2ab minus 2y by root 3. This is equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3. X square plus y square minus 2y by root 3 is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Friends, x square plus y square minus 2y by root 3 is equal to 4 minus 1, 3 by 3, 1. Friends, LCM is 3. X square plus y square minus 2y by root 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2y by root 3 minus 1 is equal to 0.